it's Alex from Laughing Place here today with an unboxing video, and today we are looking at the fourth and final season of Star Wars Rebels. This is the complete season 4 on Blu-ray, and this comes out July 31st. So here's the front of the slipcover. Like the other ones, it does have a little bit of holofoil finish, lots of great embossing detail. There is Thrawn in the back, so this season has a lot more Thrawn than I think any other season. I say I think because I actually didn't watch this one, because I get them on Blu-ray and I have to review them, and so I like to be surprised. So I watch it all in one big binge-watching marathon, and that is how I prefer to enjoy Star Wars Rebels. So I will see all this very soon and write a review for Laughing Place. Here is a look at the back with the bonus features. Looks like Dave Filoni has done 6 commentaries, every episode of Rebel Recon from the StarWars.com, plus there are 3 bonus features, including the commentary, that are exclusive to this Blu-ray disc. One is all about scoring the series, which should be quite interesting. There's one, Force of Rebellion, with Dave Filoni sharing insights into the Force and its importance in the Star Wars saga. And then the other one is Ghosts of Legends, and it's all about the Ghost crew and how their paths kind of, assuming split apart. I hope that's accurate. I assume so, because we already know from Rogue One, at least Hera is not with the rest of the group at some point during that story. Here is what's under the slipcover. Just replicates all of the artwork. And let's pop it open to see what's inside. First, there is an insert. It's a code for Disney Movie Rewards. No, you can't have it. I'm going to take those points and maybe spend them on something. Backside of the code just gives you kind of an example of what else you can do, but no digital copy. And then, like the past seasons, there is disc art, which is great. Those of you Disney Blu-ray collectors know that Disney doesn't get disc art very often, but Star Wars does, Lucasfilm does. And so all the bonus features, well, the audio commentaries will be split up between them, but you'll find pretty much all the Rebels Recon and all those featurettes on that second disc there. And again, this is the last season of Star Wars Rebels. They are, well, they're bringing back Clone Wars. They just announced that at Comic-Con. They're also at work on a new animated Star Wars series. So lots of great, exciting things for Star Wars fans. But this wraps up and completes your Star Wars Rebels collection. You can bring this home on July 31st. For a full detailed review, be sure to check back at laughingplace.com, and that'll be up in the next couple days. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.